Hey friends, thank you for joining me today. This is a nice little quick repertoire that you should be able to add into your daily life. So do this regularly. You will need a couple of blocks maybe, or if you have maybe some pillows, those could work as well. Blocks, books, whatever you have available. Let's get started. We're going to start with our hands underneath our shoulders. We're going to push into that left hand. The right arm reaches up into the sky. And then it threads underneath, and you can hover it, okay? You don't even have to push into it. And then come back up. And again, thread it underneath, and then push it back up. And thread it. So we're working the left arm, getting a nice stretch through the right side, and go underneath. Reach it up, and then press it down. Okay, let's change sides. Left hand, you're going to lift it up into the sky, and then thread it through. And lift it up and thread it through. Right arm is getting the workout. Lift it up and thread it through. Lift it up and thread it through. And lift up and thread it through. And lift up and hold and release it down. From here, you're going to use 2 blocks if you want to. This is optional. You're going to come forward into a child's pose. So you get a little rest here. And take your forearms onto the blocks. And you can get a nice little stretch through the shoulders. And pause here. Okay, and just take a moment to come in to your practice, okay? So we're going to downshift a little bit. We'll start with some vagus nerve stimulation, okay? And you're going to start with the sound Om, and that's going to help to soothe and tone your nervous system. Om. Now from here, lift your head up, let it hover, and pull the shoulders down your back, and then press away. And feel the shoulders moving down your back. Hug them down your back and wide, and then press them up. And again, retract, come on down. And again, come on down. And reach them up. So you want to feel the shoulders moving down towards your hips and then back up. And then come all the way up. Crisscross your legs underneath you. Let's take the right hand behind the head. You're going to take it across your body. And now push your head into the hand and the hand into the head, and look over to your right. Come on down, head into the hand into the head. Push, 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 push. And come on up. Head into the hand into the head. Push, 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 push. And come on up. And release. Drop that hand down. Look from side to side. Okay, those are pretty intense. Let's change the cross of our legs. Left hand comes behind our head. Let's twist towards that right side and down. Again, pushing hand into head, head into hand, and then come on up and twist open. And come down with me. Come on. And come on up, press, 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 press. Let's twist towards that right side and down. Again, pushing hand into head, head into hand, and then come on up and twist open. And release. Ah. Oh. Okay, now come on forward onto your hands. And then we're going to tuck the toes under and hang over our legs, okay? So this might be here for you. It might be with your legs straight or any place in between. And then you're going to just take your arms from side to side, give them a nice little hang, stretch from side to side. If you want to, you can take your blocks and nestle them right into your hips. And you're going to just rock those arms from side to side. And then take the arms forward and back. If you have really long arms, you might need to come up a little higher. I rode crew in college, so my mom always tells me I have long arms. And just release. Okay, friends, come on down. Release those blocks. Come and have a seat. Take the arms down by your side, have a seat, and then take the arms up into goalpost arms. Lift the heart up. Feel a nice stretch here. And like a sundial, open to your left. Come to center and go to your right. Come back towards center, open to your left. Come to center and go to your right. Come back towards center and release. Sit up nice and tall. Close your eyes. Feel the energy in your shoulders, okay? Lift the chest up. Take a nice breath. Inhale. Exhale. Namaste, friends. Thank you so much. I have a weekly calendar now. It's a curated weekly calendar for mobility, flexibility, and strength. You modify it for whatever you need for your day, for your week, and for your life. Namaste, friends.